So forcefully.
I was so confused.
Acquiesce.
Logging altitude test number 131. Based on previous tests, predicted rate of success, 14%.
Now you're rounding down, right? Okay, no pressure, but there are a lot of people watching.
Transactions.
She's filling your water. I didn't see them back there. They were right there on the way. Oh, they were. Okay. Yeah, that's the one.
Oh.
Should we take a little break?